The charge for the rug was put on your March bill. Full stop. We wish to remove any fear they may have, comma, and we shall urge them to engage a lawyer. Full stop. May we take Polly and Jack to see the parade on the 4th of March? Question mark. We shall make up a party and have lunch at the cake shop. Full stop. We are making a tour of Italy in March. Full stop. Our party should be in Rome on the 4th of the month. Full stop. We shall get back to Canada in May. Full stop. The usual charge for parking the car at the garage was 2s6d. Full stop. We saw a copy of the rare book in the shop window. Full stop. It should pay the firm to go on the air daily. Full stop. Paul King was put in charge of the factory early in March. Full stop. We can put a mark in red at the bottom of each page. We check. Full stop.